Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of EzzyCRM Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. When you find it, click on it. Click Install and allow an install. The next thing you'd want to do is to refresh your page. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is when we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your EzzyCRM account online and click on Settings. Next, you scroll down and you click on Get API Key. Copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, click on Get API Password. Copy the API password, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. As you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab. And here you can create tickets and book calls with our support team anytime you have an issue. And finally, we have the changelog, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made in an application by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.